Hello, friends. This is Becky with Becky Budgets. And as you know, today is Sunday, which means that I do our budget for the next week, which my husband gets paid on Thursdays. So we are going to do our budget for week 3 of September. Today, I'm going to go ahead and budget for his paycheck on September 14th. So let's write that down. And I have him set at a set income right now of $700. Now, if you have been paying attention, we actually started deducing or taking out the pet insurance as a deduction, and he's been coming in less than $700. So that is something I am really paying attention to. But for now, since this is kind of a trial couple weeks, I'm going to leave it as is. The bills that we have due this week are the Xfinity, which is due on the 15th. And the 15th has a lot of bills due, or a couple. My husband's Microsoft subscription for the Xbox. The Cricket subscription. And then we have the Apple Care due. And that's on the 17th. So our Xfinity, we have budgeted for $172. The Microsoft, I've got at $16. The Cricket at $11. And the Apple Care at $10. Let's go ahead and add those values together. Which means that our bill total this week is going to be $209. And when we take that away from our inflow, it leaves us with $491. One thing I do not want to forget is that we have the preset for the student loan this week. So I don't want to forget that. And I'm going to put that right into debt. And that is $181. When we move down to our expenses, our variable expenses, I'm going to go ahead and put $100 towards food, as we always do, and $50 towards gas. Next week, which is our week 4, is going to be really light, so I'm hoping to go ahead and fill the ones that we still need to fill. So far, I have filled pets and Becky. So the ones that are being skipped are hubby, eating out, and miscellaneous, which means our variable expense total is going to be $150. And then when I take that away from our leftover, we are left with $341. I am going to go ahead and plan on filling our sinking funds. So medical will get $50, vet, household, car maintenance, and gifts will get $15. And then vacation, Amazon, car registration, and emergency will get $5 each. Now those all equal $130. So when I take that away from our leftover, we are left with $211. As always, I do like to do these two sections out of order. So our 52-week number 2, which goes towards moving, gets $26.50 a week. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a 50-cent buffer just to keep it at an even number, which means that I need $27 in order to get a zero-based budget this week. I take 27 away from this leftover, and that leaves 184. What that tells me is that 181 of those 184 are going to the preset debt payment, which is going to be going towards the slate since we already hit that $355 threshold on the city, and $3 are going into the snowball, which will equal the 184 that we need for that $27 leftover. Let's see. And yes, there it is. So we could have $27 left over for a zero-based budget. As always, my friends, I do like to check my math. So we have an inflow total of $700 minus the $209 that are projected to go towards bills, the $150 projected to go to variable expenses, the $130 going towards our sinking funds, the $184 going towards our debt, and the $27 going into our savings. And yes, my friends, that gets us to a zero-based budget. Well, friends, hopefully we don't have to make too many adjustments on payday on Thursday. I hope that each and every one of you is having an amazing day. Thank you for taking the time to spend some time with me as I budget and keep all my ducks in a row for the following week. Take care, my friends, and I will see you soon. Bye.